Comparison between Ionic versus React Native. Ionic and React Native are both frameworks for building mobile apps, but they have some key differences. Ionic is a framework for building hybrid mobile apps using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It allows developers to use a single codebase to create apps for both iOS and Android platforms. Ionic uses a library of pre-built UI components and can also access native device features through plugins. React Native, on the other hand, is a framework for building native mobile apps using JavaScript and the React library. It allows developers to create truly native apps that have the same performance as apps built with traditional languages like Swift or Java. React Native uses the same UI components as the platform on which it is running, making it look and feel like a truly native app. Hybrid versus native. Ionic is a framework for building hybrid mobile apps using web technologies, while React Native is a framework for building truly native mobile apps using JavaScript and React. Performance. React Native apps have better performance as they are built with native components and are not dependent on web views. User interface. Ionic apps have a consistent look and feel across all platforms, but React Native apps have a more native feel as they use the same UI components as the platform. Codebase. Ionic uses a single codebase for multiple platforms, while React Native uses a separate codebase for each platform. Access to native features. Ionic apps use plugins to access native device features, while React Native apps have direct access to native features. Community and support. React Native has a larger community and more extensive support, while Ionic also has a good community and support base. Browser support. Ionic apps can run in the browser, while React Native apps can only run on mobile platforms. Learning curve. React Native requires a deeper understanding of native mobile development and React, while Ionic is easier to learn for developers with web development experience. Ionic is a framework for building hybrid mobile apps while React Native is a framework for building truly native mobile apps. Ionic can be a good choice if you need to support multiple platforms with a single codebase, while React Native is a good choice if you want to build a truly native app with the same performance as a traditional app.